As you sit down to dinner, this next story is eating out like you've never experienced before. We're talking about super secret, illegal dining experiences hosted in private homes.
CBS 2's investigative reporter Tamara Leitner went undercover to see firsthand how this underground world works.
It may look like a dinner party, but this is an underground supper club held on the Lower East Side.
Thank you very much.
And at this one, the diners are a mix of New Yorkers and tourists. 8 people sharing a meal in a stranger's home. The hostess, Naama Shafi, writes about food, but is not a chef. We found her through this website, Eat With, which connects amateur foodies and professional chefs in 20 different countries with people who want unique dining experiences. Clandestine dinner parties like these have become more common in New York City, and insiders tell us they are completely unregulated.
Do you ever worry about getting caught?
I definitely do.
Michael Paglaget is a professional chef who also hosts underground supper clubs. He cooks with blowtorches, nitrogen, and even a vacuum machine to create progressive meals.
And that's the thing with supper clubs, they're in a sense illegal just because they're underground, nobody really knows about them. So if the health department would come, they would obviously shut it down. So there's always a little bit of worry.
To stay under the radar, Paglaget changes the location every time and keeps the guest list exclusive through this members-only website, Underground Eats.
Definitely a very hidden kind of a secret, and I think that's the interesting part about it, and a lot of it is word of mouth.
But some critics have concerns about these unregulated dinner parties.
It definitely falls into a gray area.
Leon Lebarsky owns Letter Grade Consulting. His staff of retired New York City health inspectors advises restaurants on health regulations.
They should be regulated by the same system that regulates every restaurant in New York City.
The health department issued this statement. In New York City, people who offer meals to the public for money need permits. The city does not allow meals to be served to members of the public in someone's home. So we went back to talk to Shafi.
You guys are breaking the law by serving people meals and charging.
Yeah, the reality is that they're here and people really love them.
In the meantime, foodies like Shafi and professional chefs like Paglaget continue to host these covert supper clubs.
I want to do it as much as possible, so my goal would be to do it at least 2 to 3 times a week, so kind of like a restaurant on the weekends.
If caught hosting one of these underground dinner parties, the host could be fined $2,000 and ordered to shut it down. Tamara Leitner, CBS 2 News.
Well, the price to get into one of these underground supper clubs ranges from $40 to several hundred. Some of the hosts say that they are in it simply for the love of food, while others hope to actually turn a profit.